Autonomous College Vizianagaram, Andhra Pradesh in India is organizing a 2-day international webinar starting 20th July 2020 till 21st July 2020. The webinar entitled Research Methodology, Trends, Quality, Ethics and Value is unique in itself as the webinar is being joined by several eminent personalities of international fame such as Professor Dr. D.K. Satsangi, Head of Cardiothoracic and Vascular Sciences at world's one of the most prestigious medical institute, AIIMS, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Professor Dr. B.C. Nirmal, former Vice Chancellor, National Law University, Jharkhand, and former Dean Faculty of Law at world's one of the topmost universities, the Banaras Hindu University in India. Professor Dr. Bala Ganapati Devarakonda, Head Department of Philosophy, Delhi University. Professor Dr. D.K. Giri, Political Analyst, International Politics. Dr. S. Shobharani, Principal, Vishaka Government Degree and PG College for Women, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh in India. Dr. P.B. Beulabel Bensi, Department of Education, Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu in India. Majd Hamode, School of Sociology, Budapest, Hungary. Sarah Marker, Eötvös Loránd University, Budapest, Hungary. Sumit Kumar, Social Scientist, Eötvös Loránd University, Budapest, Hungary. And Salt Soboksi, Eötvös Loránd University, Budapest, Hungary. Kia Ann from Iwaha Women's University, Korea. Dr. A. Ramiz, Dean Faculty of Arts and Culture, Southeastern University of Sri Lanka, besides many others of international fame. We, the entire team of Tejasvi Astitva Foundation, are extremely glad to collaborate with Maharaja's Autonomous College Vizianagaram, Andhra Pradesh in India for a 2-day long international level webinar on research methodology in educational institutions in Bharat, India, and analyze the same under global perspective. Remember, registration to the international webinar closes on 15 July 2020. So hurry up friends and register yourself in this prestigious international webinar before it is too late. To register to this webinar, please visit ngo.tejasviastitva.com and click on the relevant webinar icon. We take pleasure to inform you that the DN News, the official media partners to the webinar, shall be presenting before you the live telecast of the entire webinar on 20th and 21st July 2020. Please subscribe to this channel and get regular updates for the webinar. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just visit ngo.tejasviastitva.com and be a part of this prestigious international webinar. It's time to sign off now. We shall be soon back with some more updates on the webinar. Till then, register yourself, keep getting your friends and colleagues registered to the webinar, and don't forget to keep watching the DN News. Namaskar, goodbye, Khuda Hafiz.